In this section, we'll review the outputs of the schedule development process. Schedule development should result in the project schedule, the schedule model data, the schedule baseline, the resource requirement updates, the activity attribute updates, project calendar updates, requested changes, and the project management plan updates, which specifically would include the schedule management plan. The project schedule details the start and finish dates for each of the project activities. It typically details the resource assignments unless this step is performed in a later phase. It's also approved and signed off by stakeholders and functional managers. Resource availability must be confirmed before the schedule can be considered finalized. And the format of the schedule can vary. It can take the form of project schedule network diagrams, Gantt charts, or milestone charts. The schedule model data refers to documenting the supporting data for the schedule. It includes milestones, schedule activities, activity attributes, assumptions, constraints, and resource histograms. It may also include alternative schedules or contingency schedule reserves. And finally, the schedule baseline. This is the final approved version of the project schedule with baseline start and baseline finish dates with resource assignments. The PMBOK guide notes that this baseline is derived from a schedule network analysis of the schedule model. All of the other outputs for this process have been reviewed in previous chapters. This concludes our review of the schedule development process and our chapter on the time planning processes. In the next section, we'll summarize what's been covered in this chapter.